Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. You are looking at about a 60, 70 foot privacy screen made up of Areca palms, Chinese fan palms, and Sylvester palms. The Areca palms are the small palms right there to the right between those two bigger palms. Those Areca palms are full to the ground. You cannot see through them. That's an excellent privacy plant. The Chinese fan palms are the medium-sized palms. That is a full-grown tree at full growth. It'll be 30, 40 feet tall. And then the taller trees, there's 3 of them. Those are Sylvester palms. So this is a real nice look. I like it quite a bit. And we can duplicate this for you. If you like it, go to thetreeplanters.com, reach out to us from there, and we'll do this for you.